Good morning students. Yesterday we are learn practice set 5.1 problem number 1. Then we are going to learn practice set 5.1 the remaining problems. So here is means 1 to 4 is are completed. We have taken that 1 to 4 in last period. Then today's lecture we have started from question number 5 to question number 8 means 5, 6, 7 and 8. So first we are going to learn problem number 5 whatever it may be. So see, show that point P 2 minus 2. So P point coordinates are 2 and minus 2. Q points coordinates are 7 and 3. R points coordinates are 11 and minus 1. And S point coordinates are 6 and minus 6 are the vertex of parallelogram. So you want to prove that these are the vertex means these are the points P, Q, R and S. These are the 4 points and that 4 points are vertex of parallelogram that you want to prove that. So parallelogram means what first? Parallelogram means opposite sides are congruent to each other and opposite sides are parallel to each other. So opposite sides are congruent to each other, that means that the distance between when the distance of the two lines are congruent, then they are called as the parallelogram. Means suppose PQ is congruent with QR or PS is congruent with SR. Such a way, if you are show the distance of them are congruent, then they are a parallelogram. So here is we are using the distance formula. So first using the distance formula, we are write the points. So P points. I already explained in yesterday lecture. In the bracket, first number is always mention X. First number is mention X. So in the bracket P is there. P point 2 and minus 2. So 2 is the x-axis and minus 2 is the y-axis. Suppose if you are giving serially number, then it is x1, it is x2, sorry y2. So because it is x coordinate 2, it is y coordinate minus 2. So x1, y1. So x1 is 2, y1 is minus 2. Then Q point is here. This is the second point. So we can do it is x2, it is y3. R is the third point. So we are said x3 and y3. Then X is the 4 point. So we are say x4 and y4. Such a way you are giving the names. But when you are taken PQ, then you are taken x1, y1, x2, y2. When you are taken QR, then here is x1, y1, x2, y2. Because the distance formula is given to you by using the distance formula. This is the PQ. So you want to find the distance PQ. So this is the x2. x2 is 7. So I write here 7. Minus. This is the x1. x1 is 2. So 7 minus 2 bracket square. Then it is the y2. y2 is 3. So I write here 3. And it is the y1. y1 is minus 2. So I am writing into the bracket minus 2. So what is the formula? Formula is x2 minus x1. So what is the x2? x2 is 7. So I write here 7. Minus x1. x1 is 2. So I write here 2. So 7 minus 2 bracket square. Then y2. y2 is 3. So I write here 3. Minus y1. y1 is minus 2. So I write here minus 2 bracket square. 7 minus 2 what is remain 5. 5 square. 3 out of bracket negative sign. So minus 2 become plus 2. So 3 plus 2. What is you get? 5. So see here 7 minus 2 you are getting here 5. So 5 square. 3 out of bracket negative sign. So minus 2 become plus 2. So 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 what you get? 5. So here is 5 square. Okay, 7 minus 2, 5 square. 3 minus 2 out of bracket negative sign. So minus. So 3 plus 2, 5. 5 square. 5 square is 25. This 5 square is 25. So 25 plus 25. What you get? 50. So PQ is equal to 50. But 50 is not a perfect square number. What is the meaning of perfect square? 36. You say the square root 6, 49, 7, 64, 8. This is the perfect square. Means we can say the square root of that number very easily. 100, 10. But 50, can you say the square root of 50? No, because it is not a perfect square number. So when such a condition is there, then you factorize the 50 such a way, one number square root must be get. We are factorize the 50 such a way, one number square root must be get. So 50 can be factorized 25 into 2. So 25 2s are 50. So here is 5 into 5, 25. 25 2s are 50. So 25 square root 5. So it is written PQ is equal to 50. It is not a perfect square number. So 50 can be factorized 25 into 2. So see here 5 into 5 25 into 2 50. So this 25 square root is 5. So I write here 5 and the root 2 is remain as it is. So PQ is equal to 5 root 2. Such a way you are finding the distance PQ. Then we are going to finding the distance QR. So Q, here is the x2. x2 is 11. See here. Suppose if you want to see, this is the x2. It is the 11 and it is the x1 7. It is the y2 minus 1. It is the y1 minus 3. Okay. So I am showing you that here is written 11 x2 minus x1. So x2 is 11 minus 7, what is remains 4. So here is 4. Then y2 is minus 1 and y1 is minus 3, both having the same sign. So addition minus 1 minus 3 you get minus 4. So here is I write minus 4. So 4 bracket square 16 minus 4 bracket square 16. So 16 plus 16 what you get 32. Okay, are you understand how you can get the 4? 11 minus 7 you get the 4. Minus 1 minus 3 both having the same sign. So addition minus 1 minus 3 what you get minus 4. So here is you get minus 4. 4 square is 16. So I write here 16. Minus 4 square is 16. So I write here 16. 16 plus 16 32. Again 32 is not a perfect square number. So we are factorize the 32 such a way that one number square root must be get. So 16 2 ja 32. So here is that is done here. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So this 4 to 2 multiplication is 16. So 16 2 ja 32. So this 16 square root is 4. So distance QR is equal to 4 root 2. Okay. So here is the right distance QR 4 root 2. Then again I want to find out RS. So see, this is the x2. x2 is 6 minus x1. x1 is 11. So 6 minus 11. Then y2 is minus 6 minus y1 is minus 1. So 6 minus 11, is it possible? Not possible. So 11 minus 6, what is remains? Minus 5. So minus 5 square. Here is minus 6, out of bracket negative sign, minus 1 become plus 1. So minus 6 plus 1, sign is not same, subtract. 5 minus 1, what is remains? Minus 5. Such a way, here is you are getting answer. 6 minus 11 is not possible. So 11 minus 6, so you are getting 5. Bigger number sign you are given. The bigger number is 11. That sign is negative. So we are giving the negative sign to the 5. So it is the minus 5. Such a way you are getting here minus 5. Then here is the minus 6. Out of bracket negative sign. So minus 1 is become plus 1. Minus 6 plus 1. Sign is not same, subtract. 6 minus 1, what is remains? Minus 5. So here is minus 5. Minus 5 square is 25. This minus 5 square is 25. Why it is the plus 25? Because in multiplication sign of both number are same. Answer must be positive. So minus 5 into minus 5 you are getting plus 25. So 25 plus 25. This is the distance RS. 25 plus 25. So what you get? Here is you getting 50. So distance RS is equal to you are getting 50. So 50 is again not a perfect square number. So you have factorized the 50 such a way one number square root must be get. So 25 2 ja 50. So here is they are factorized 50. 5 into 5 25. 25 2 ja 50. So 25 square root is 5. So here is I write 5 root 2. So distance RS is equal to 5 root 2. So first we are also finding that distance is 5 root 2. Then QR is equal to 4 root 2. Then one distance is remains that you want to find out here. That is distance PS. So H2 is when you are taken PS. P coordinate are x1 y1. S coordinate are x2 y2. Remember that. So this x2 is 6 minus x1 2. This y2 is minus 6 minus y1 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 what is remains 4. So 6 minus 2 you are getting here 4. So here you write 4. Then minus 6 minus minus 2. Out of bracket negative side. So minus 2 become plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2. So 6 is negative, 2 is positive. Sign are not same. Subtract. So 6 minus 2 plus 4 because 6 is positive sign. So 6 minus 2 remains 4. Bigger number sign plus. Minus 6 out of bracket negative sign, so minus 2 become plus 2, minus 6 plus 2, sign are not same, subtract 6 minus 2, number sign here is given, the bigger number is 6, sign is negative, so we are giving here minus 4. 4 is positive, 4 square is 16, minus 4 into minus 4, that is you get plus 16, because in multiplication sign are same. 4 square 16 minus 4 square 16, 16 plus 16 32, so distance PS is equal to 32. So we have factorized the 32 such a way one number square root must be 8. So 16 2 ja 32. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32. So whatever be the square root of 16, 4. So we are getting 4 root 2. So here is 2 into 2 they are showing to you, but distance PS is equal to 4 root 2. So PS is 4 root 2, QR is 4 root 2. So there is the distance, they are congruent. So here is written PQ is equal to RS, because PQ is equal to RS 5, PQ is equal to 5 root 2 and RS is equal to 5 root 2. So they are congruent. Then here is QR is equal to PS, this is the PS, and QR is equal to, this is the 4 root 2. So QR and PS 4 root 2, so they are congruent. So these two sides are congruent, these two sides are congruent. So they are a parallelogram. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Both pairs of opposite sides are congruent. So it is a parallelogram. Anyone doubts? So it is proved that it is a parallelogram. Then we are going to learn problem number 6. Whatever it may be. Show that point A is the minus 4 minus 7. B is the minus 1 2. C is the 8 and 5. D is the 5 and minus 4. Are the vertices of the rhombus. So they are said there are the point given, A point given, B point given, C point given and D point given. So these are the points, there are the 4 points given to you. So that 4 points you want to prove that they are the points of rhombus, that you want to prove that. What you want to prove that? They are the point of rhombus, that you want to prove that. So see, A point minus 4 minus 7. B points minus 1 2, C points 8 5, D points 5 minus 4. So there are the 4 points that A, B, C and D. So you want to prove that these points of rhombus means distance AB is equal to distance BC is equal to distance CD is equal to distance AD. So you want to prove that all the distance are same. Why you want to prove that all the distance are same? Because in square and rhombus the 4 sides are congruent. So if the 4 sides are congruent, that means that the distance between each and every points are same. So they are the rhombus. So you want to prove that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. So that all the 4 sides are congruent, that you want to show that distance must be same. So you are using the distance formula. So I here explain first. When you are taken AB, so you are considered this is the x1, this is the y1, this is the x2, this is the y2. Okay, when you are taken BC, then see it is the x1, it is the y1, it is the x2, it is the y2. When you are taken CD, then see it is the x1, it is the y1, it is the x2, it is the y2. When you are taken AD, then see this is the x1, this is the y1, and this is the x2, this is the y2. Are you understand? Means how you are taken the points, according to that x1, y1, x2, y2 can be changes. But that must be remembered in your minds. If you don't understand, I again repeat it. So this is the AB distance, suppose you are taken. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Then BC distance you are taken, then this is x1, this is y1, then x2, y2. When you are taken CD distance, then C is distance, it is the x1, it is the y1, it is the x2, it is the y2. When you are taken AD distance, then this is the x1, this is the y1, this is the x2, this is the y2. So by distance formula we are solve this problem. So distance AB is equal to, so x, what is it, x1 y1, x2 y2. So x2 minus x1, so x2 is minus 1 minus x2 is minus 4. So I write here minus 4. Then y2 is 2 minus y1 is minus 7, 2 minus in bracket minus 7. So minus 1 remain as it is, out of bracket negative sign, so minus 4 become plus 4. So what you get, minus 1 plus 4. Then here is the 2, out of bracket negative sign, So minus 7 become plus 7. So 2 plus 7. So here is minus 1 out of bracket negative sign. Minus 4 become plus bracket negative sign. So minus 4 become plus 4. 4 is positive, 1 is negative. Sign are not same. So subtract 4 minus 1. What is remain 3? Bigger number sign, that is positive. So plus 3. Are you understand? Because out of bracket negative. So minus 4 become plus 4. 4 is plus positive and 1 is negative. So sign are not same. So you are getting plus 3. ज्यांच्या डोक्यावर गेलं त्यांच्यासाठी कंसाच्या बाहेर ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर निगेटिव्ह साईन आहे. निगेटिव्ह साईन असल्यामुळे ब्रॅकेट मधला नंबरचा साईन चेंज होईल. मग हे मायनस 4चं प्लस 4 झालं. हा प्लस 4 आहे आणि हा 1 निगेटिव्ह आहे. साईन सेम नाही म्हणून सबस्ट्रॅक्ट करणार. 4 मधून 1 गेले, 3 राहिले. बिगर नंबर साईन प्लस 2. इज दॅट क्लिअर? Then see 2 out of bracket negative sign. So minus 7 become plus 7. 2 is positive, 7 is positive. 2 plus 7 9. So 3 square 9 square. 3 square is 9. 9 square is 81. So 9 plus 81. So distance AB is equal to 3 square 9. 9 square 81. 81 plus 9. Okay. So AB is equal to 9 plus 81. So 81 plus 9, what you get? 90. So distance A comma B is equal to root 90. Is that clear? AB is equal to root 90. So root 90 is also not a perfect square. So if you are finding the number, you are factorize that number such a way that one number square root must be get. Then which is that number? See, find here 10 9s are 90. 3 is square root of 10. Another, is it possible? So there is, they are factorized. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. So 18 5s are 90. 18 5s are 90. So here is 3 3s are 9. So 9 square root is 3. So here is I write 3. And this 2 and this 5. 2 5s are 10. Someone is don't understand and see. This 90 can be factorized. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 5s are 90. But 3 into 3. So square root of this number is 3. So I write here 3. Here it is remain 2. Here is remain 5. So 2 into 5 you get 10. 2 5s are 10. So here is 3 root 10. So AB is equal to 3 root 10. Okay. Then we want to find out distance BC. So distance BC is equal to x2 minus x1. So x2 is 8 minus x1 is minus 1. y2 5 minus y1 2. Out of bracket negative sign. So minus 1 become plus 1. So here is 8 plus 1, what you get? 9. So here is you get 9 square. 5 minus 2, what is remain? 3. So here is you get 3 square. 9 square is 81. 3 square is 9. So 81 plus 9. Again it is factorized 9. 81 plus 9 you are getting 90. So 90 is not a perfect square number. So you are factorize the 90 such a way. One number square root must be get. So 9 into 10. So 9 into 10. 9 square root is 3. So you are getting 3 root 10. See here. 2 3s are 9, 9 3s are, so 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 19. So 3 into 3 9. So 9 square root is 3. So here is right 3 root 10. How can you get 10? 2 into 5 10. So BC is equal to 3 root 10. Then you are finding another distance CD. So here is x2 5 minus x1 8. So 5 minus 8. Then it is y2. What is it? Minus 4 minus y1 5. So 5 is positive, 8 is negative, sign is not same, subtract. 8 minus 5, what is remains? 3. So minus 3. So minus 3 bracket square. 4 is negative, 5 is negative, sign are same. So we can do addition. 4 plus 5 9 minus 9. So 3 square is 9. Minus 9 square is 81. 9 plus 81 you are getting 90. So 90 is not a perfect square number. So again you are factorize that number such a way 9 into 10. So you are factorize the 90 as a 9 into 10. So 9 square root is 3. So see here 2 3s are 9, 9 3s are 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. So 9 square root is 3. So 3 root 10, 2 5s are 10. So CD is equal to, you are getting 3 root 10. Then there is the AD is remain. So I want to find out distance AD. So this is x2 minus x1. x2 is 5 minus x1 is minus 4 bracket square. It is y2 minus y1 minus 7 bracket square. Out of bracket negative sign minus 4 become plus 4. So 5 plus 4 9. So we are getting 9 square. Then minus 4 remain as it is. Out of bracket negative sign, minus 7 become plus 7. 7 is positive, minus 4. Minus in bracket minus 7. So out of bracket negative sign. So minus 7 become plus 7. So 7 is positive, 4 is negative, sign is not same, subtract. 7 minus 4, what is remain 3? Bigger number sign plus 3. If someone is don't understand, minus 4 out of bracket negative sign, so minus 7 become plus 7. So plus 7 minus 4, sign is not same, subtract. 7 minus 4, what is remain 3? Bigger number sign plus 3. 9 square is 81, 3 square is 9. 81 plus 9, 90. So 80 is equal to square root of 90. So we have factorized the 90 such a way that one number square root must be get 9 into 10. See here, 3 3 is 9, 2 into 5, 10, 9 into 10. So 9 square root is 3. So 3 root 10. So if you are observed, each and every distance we are getting 3 root 10. So each and every distance are same, 1, 2, 3, 4. All are same from 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the distance we are finding the same, that is the 3 root 10. That means that it is a rhombus. So AB is equal to BC is equal to, see here is written, AB is equal to 3 root 10, BC is equal to 3 root 10, CD is equal to 3 root 10, AD is equal to 3 root 10. So all the distance are same, so it is a rhombus. So ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, anyone doubts? Then we are going to learn another example. This is the problem number 7. Find x. Okay, find x if distance between L, this is given x and this is given 7, means L coordinate they are given x and 7. You have to find out x. So here is they are given x value and it is 7. M coordinate 1 and minus 15 is 10. Okay, so distance of LM is given to you. So distance of LM is equal to how many given to you? 10. So you are using here distance formula, but before using distance formula, you are write here point L coordinate x and 7, M coordinate 1 and 15, and the distance of LM is equal to, you are getting 10. So here is you are using distance formula. So LM is equal to, this is x2 LM, so x minus 1. So this is the x minus 1 bracket 7. This is the 7 minus 15, meaning is same, 7 minus 15. So what you get, see, x minus 1 bracket square you are doing. So how can you do the x minus 1 bracket square? First term square. What is it? X. X is the first term. X minus 1 bracket square can be factorized by all students. A minus b bracket square according to that. So what is the a minus b bracket square? Are you know that? A square minus twice ab plus b square. Yeah. So you know that the formula. So with help of that formula, we are factorize x minus 1 bracket square. So how can you factorize x minus 1 bracket square? First term square, x square minus 2 into x, 2x into 1, 2x. So x square minus 2x. Second term square minus 1 square plus 1. So x square minus 2x plus 1. It is the factorization of this. So here is x minus 1 bracket square, they are kept as it is, they are not doing the factorization of that. 7 minus 15. So 7 is positive, 15 is negative. Sign is not same. So subtract 15 minus 7. What is remains 8? Minus 8. So why not here is factorized? Because it is simple. If you are factorized, then your problem will become bigger. So instead of factorization, we can take square root of this. So x minus 1 bracket square. So what is the square root? X minus 1. Okay. Minus 8 bracket square. What is the square root? Minus 8. So square both sides here. So they are doing the square of that. So 10 square is 100. X minus 1 bracket square. It is square root that square. So it is become x minus 1 indices 4. So 4 indices square root is 2. So x minus 1 bracket square. Square means when you are doing the square, you can do the 10 square 100. And when you are doing the square of these sides, this square sign can be removed. And whatever be that number can be written here. Okay. ज्यांच्या डोक्यावर निघालं त्यांनी बघा स्क्वेअर बोथ साइड म्हटलं म्हणजे काय करायचं या 10चा स्क्वेअर करायचा तो 100 येईल आणि या बाजूला हे जे रूट मध्ये टाकलंय जेव्हा स्क्वेअर करू तेव्हा हे जे स्क्वेअर साइन आहे स्क्वेअर रूटचं साइन आहे हे स्क्वेअर रूटचं साइन काढायचं आणि जे नंबर आहेत ते तसे तसे द्यायचे. ओके, so square both sides. So 10 square is 100, x minus 1 bracket square remain as it is, minus 8 square minus 8 into minus 8. In multiplication sign of both number are same, so answer must be positive, so plus 64. So 100 is equal to x minus 1 bracket square plus 64. 64 is positive, go across negative, so 100 minus 64. So x minus 1 bracket square is equal to 100 minus 64. So x minus 1 bracket square remain as it is. 100 minus 64, what is remain? 36. Taking square root. Taking square root. So x minus 1 bracket square root is x minus 1. 36 square root is plus or minus 6. So x minus 1 bracket square root is x minus 1. 36 square root is plus or minus 6. Taking square root both sides. So here is either x minus 1 is equal to 6 or x minus 1 is equal to minus 6. When this minus 1 go across, it become plus, so 6 plus 1 7, so x is equal to 7 you are getting. When this minus 1 go across, it become plus, so minus 6 plus 1, sign is not same, subtract 6 minus 1, what is remain? 5, bigger number sign minus 5. So here is you get plus 7, here is you get minus. So that is show here for understanding purpose. 6 plus 1 minus 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 you are getting 7, and 6 is negative, 1 is positive, sign is not same, subtract 6 minus what it remains? 5. So 7 or minus 5. So you are getting that answer such a way. So all the problems which is remaining that we are learn, then I hope that all of the students are understand what I taught you. So that must be checked with help of homework. So I am giving you homework, that is the problem number 8. Okay, that problem number 8 in 5.1 I am giving you homework, and that can be seen in a screen. Show that the point A 1 2 1 6 1 plus 2 root 3 and 4 are the vertices of equilateral triangle. So I have time, so I am explaining you. They are said equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means what? Equilateral triangle means all sides of the triangles are same. Okay, all sides of the triangles are same. So AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. So if you want to prove that it is equilateral triangle, then your answer, whatever be the AB, is same to BC, BC is same to AC. Means all the three side distance must be same. So if you are finding all the three side distance are same, then it is equilateral triangle. Is that clear? It is very simple. So I think that with using distance formula, you can easily prove that it is equilateral triangle. I hope that all of the students are understand what I taught. So stay home, stay safe, and which homework is given to you, that you must be do. Have a nice day. Bye.